Okay, so today we're going to look at identifying angles at a point, and what it really means is it's just that there's actually just a point in a straight line, right? Okay, so altogether there's going to be a straight line, and we know that one straight line is 180 degrees. So what an angle at a point means is that on this point on this line, which is 180 degrees, it means that we can actually find different angles. So imagine that this line was angle markers, okay? You should be able to find what angles they are. Whoops, okay. Alright, so let's take a look. So let's start with the basics that we remember. So this line is called a 180 degree line, and what would this angle be? So let's say if I created this angle, and if I asked you to name the angle, what would it be called? Okay, or how many degrees is this angle? Now what if I did this? Okay, how many degrees would this angle be? What about this side? The line, the chart is moving. Okay, that way. And what about the different ways? Okay, so some examples of the stuff that we will do today include finding out how these angles look like and give it with missing clues. Let's see. For example, if at this point, this is the point, and if this angle is 45 degrees, what would this angle x? So let's try another question over here. Okay, so again, we have a straight line, and at this point, this angle goes this way. This is a bit tricky because there are two sides, okay, two angles. So over here, this angle from here to here is 45 degrees, and over here, from this angle to this angle, we have 45 degrees. And we have to find out what is the angle of y. So how do we calculate angle y? So using our knowledge, we know that a straight line has 180 degrees, and we need to find out what's y. So if the full thing, if all of this is 180 degrees, we can use the information that we already have. So we take 45 and 45, let's do the working together. So what we can do is we can write it down like this: 180 degrees minus 45 degrees minus 45 degrees. So 2 times the 45 degrees, I know that it gives me, 2 45s gives me 90. So 180 degrees minus 90 gives me what? So y, so then we give down y equals to what? How many degrees is it? That is how we find out answers for angles at a point.